In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple currencies in WooCommerce. If you're running an online store, offering multiple currency options can be a game changer. It not only makes your store more accessible to international customers, but also creates a seamless shopping experience, allowing your business to reach a global audience. Fortunately, WooCommerce has tools that make this process simple and efficient. By the end of this guide, you'll have everything you need to enable multiple currencies for your store and configure them to suit your needs. So, let's get started. First, we need to log in to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your entire website, and it's where we'll be making all the changes today. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. You should see a menu option labeled Plugins. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the Plugins page, which is where you can manage all the extensions and tools installed on your website. Now, at the top of the Plugins page, you'll notice a button that says Add New. Click on that to open the plugin library, which is where we'll find the tool we need. Once the page loads, you'll see a search bar on the right-hand side. Type in multilingual and multi-currency and hit Enter. After a moment, you'll see a list of search results appear below. What we're looking for is a plugin called Multilingual and Multi-Currency. Once you've found it in the list, you'll notice an Install Now button right next to the plugin's name. Click on that and WordPress will begin downloading and installing the plugin for you. This might take a few seconds, so just sit tight. Once the installation is complete, the Install Now button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate to enable the plugin. At this point, the tool is officially added to your site and we can move on to configuring it. With the plugin activated, we'll now navigate to WooCommerce to access the settings. In the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard, locate and click on the WooCommerce menu option. A drop-down menu will appear, and you should see an option labeled Multilingual and Multi-Currency. Click on that to open the plugin's settings page. Now that you're in the plugin settings, you'll notice a number of tabs at the top of the page. Look for the one labeled Multi-Currency and click on it. This is where we'll enable and configure the multi-currency feature. The first thing you'll want to do here is check the box labeled Enable Multi-Currency Mode. By doing this, you're activating the feature that allows your store to handle multiple currencies. It's as simple as that. Once you've enabled multi-currency mode, scroll down a bit, and you'll see a button that says Add Currency. Click on this to open a new window where you can configure the details of the currency you'd like to add. In this window, you'll need to specify the currency code. For example, USD for US dollars, or Euro for euros, as well as the exchange rates for that currency. You'll also find additional settings here, like rounding rules or display options, which you can adjust based on your preferences. Take a moment to review these settings carefully, as they'll determine how the currency is presented to your customers. When you're satisfied with the details you've entered, don't forget to save your changes. This step is crucial, as it ensures that the new currency is fully added to your store and ready for use. And that's it. You've successfully added a new currency to your WooCommerce store. If you want to add more currencies, you can repeat the last few steps for each one. With this feature enabled, your customers will now have the flexibility to shop in their preferred currency, making their experience on your site much more user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.